Oh wow, I wanted to pause that. I didn't want to cut it off. But yeah, my neighbor is, yeah, starts with a D and ends with a K. And yeah, he's around trying to man, really? Alright, whatever. Okay. Yeah, he's a DICK. Cause he got a girlfriend. Girlfriend. So what was it, 77, 76, somewhere around there with a girlfriend. Not a wife, but a girlfriend. It is so lame. Okay, that's a whole different story. But you got this girlfriend and she got this vicious dog. And he bit me. She bit me. Yeah, she took a bite out of crime. Yes! And I wasn't teasing her, wasn't taunting her, wasn't making no sudden moves. I'm just standing in the driveway conversing with the owner and the homeowner and a guy that was visiting. For real, for real. For real. Right? For real. And okay. I was mad. I was very angry. And I was like, you know what? He's not getting away with this. They're not getting away with this. And I wasn't thinking about money. I was like, yeah, you have to put that bitch down. Hell yeah, I don't care. Yeah, 'cause she attacked me. Now, I'm not an animal lover. I'm not an animal hater. But keep control your monkeys, people. Pet owners, control your monkeys. For real, for real. It, it's ridiculous. Wait a minute. 'Cause that's my hood. That's my hood. I've been there in that area since 2001. Okay, 2023. She just moves there, and she gonna bite me and get all territorial. Excuse me, for real? Okay, all right. So yeah, I don't care. Y'all can get mad all you want to, but yeah, I was like, put that bitch down. Yes, and the cops came. No, no, I called 911 because I looked it up. Yeah, that's reportable. I wasn't thinking about money. And so I was in the ER probably about hmm, maybe 2 hours. Came home and then the neighbor cussed me out and told me stay the fuck up from around his yard and he gonna call the cops on me. I'm like, dude, stop playing victim. And all he was thinking about was himself. I could have got a fine. I could that's the main thing he said. But everything was I. And the lawyer making jokes and everything, thinking it's very cute that his old ASH, I mean A A H S, yeah, got a girlfriend. You ask me, that's lame. That's lame. He never been married, far as I know. You know, I can't ask my parents. As time go by, I'll tell you more and more about this guy. But yeah, he's a jerk. Man, I've talked to two different lawyers and I'm not happy. And that's why I gotta ask, whose side are you on? So he's definitely a narc. Definitely. 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 And all he's thinking about is himself. Numero uno, like they do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll be talking about a bunch of different things, and that's one of them. Yeah, yeah, narc, narkity, narc, 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 and I've been around these people my whole life, and now I'm just having fun with them. But yeah, he's a jerk. Like I said, they gave you this big bottle of peroxide, and you're not even supposed to treat it with peroxide. So check this out. As time go by, um, it's getting worse and worse, worse and worse and worse. Something really gross happened. And if you had a wound in the summertime or a broken bone, you know just what happened to you, right? Okay, we're not even gonna go there. So let me know in the comments. Of have you ever? Who there? That's my cousin's company. Like I said, as time go by, I'll be talking more and more about but that's messed up. Yeah, shoot, it was a saying we had. It's not about the money, and it ain't. Yeah, put that excuse me, gotta say it. Put that vicious hiss in her. Here, that's not my dog. That's my cousin's dog. I'm a cat person, but yeah. Um. Oh yeah. Put her down. It, bitch. Oh, like I said, as time progresses, I'll be telling you more and more about what happened. Ooh, yeah, I had to use a cane, and everybody talk about how cool the cane was. Man, please. All right, it's so cool. Okay, my mother and I have vacationed to Jamaica 3 times. I've been there 3 times. She's been four, and whatever. I'm gonna talk more about that too. But yeah, she bought a couple canes, and I needed it. It was fancy smancy, and guess what happened? As I got better, I started using it in June, and then just by I'll say October, I was getting better. And I was trying to catch the bus, and guess what? I lost it. Oh well, man. You understand later on why I got that attitude too. I don't give a flying. Boop. Okay. But yeah, got bit by a dog last summer. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Damn, I don't know when I'm gonna post this because on this phone is a long story. Long story. Right, not long after I not long after I posted my first post on YouTube. Yeah, I dropped the damn phone in the toilet. Yeah. And then I picked this thing up, and it's slow. YouTube won't work on it, so it is a mess. I'll get it together in about a week or so. I'll be all right. Yeah. Oh, man. Happy Sunday. It's a Sunday. Again, happy. How do they say it? I'm not belated because it's his birthday. He might be like 100 and some years old, possibly. Let me see. Hmm. Happy heavenly birthday to Malcolm. Oh no, yeah, Malcolm X. Malcolm X. Yes, May 19th, somewhere in the 20s. Oh, my paternal grandmother was born 1920, and my grandfather, her husband. Both of our grandfathers are old as dirt, and no, none of them are no longer with us. No, yeah. So if I decide to post later on today, I will. Thanks for listening. But yeah, we're gonna be talking about doing a little cooking, and we're definitely gonna be talking about narcissism and predator catching. And me, no, I don't want to be no blame. what they call it? They will. I don't want to be on a catch. I don't want to do a catch. I'll decoy. And I got different ideas about decoying. For real. And yeah. And also, I'm not feeling too well. I'm okay, but could be better. But yeah, yeah. I'll be back. Take care. Thanks for listening. Hey, stop this.